Good morning guys, early start here and I'm smashing down a cup of tea. The car is loaded and we're about to head off to the airport. Next stop, Melbourne. We'll be heading down to URBNSURF for the next few days. We're going to test out all the wave settings, the general vibe of the place and see whether it's worth the hype. So if you're planning an URBNSURF strike mission, this one's for you. So we've finally arrived here in Melbourne at URBNSURF, Australia's first wave pool. First glimpse of the pool, there's waves rolling in. I'm absolutely frothing to get wet. So we're gonna go get the board finned up. I've got a few sessions booked in this afternoon. Bring on heaps of waves. Woo. And of course, after a hard day of waves, you're gonna need to refuel, and the on-site restaurant is epic, run by the crew of Three Blue Ducks. You can get pizzas, burgers, heaps of awesome snacks and nibbles, and of course a cold beer as well. Cheers. So that was the advanced session at URBNSURF on the left on my front hand. I would tell you what, the first half of the session, that takeoff is pretty steep and difficult to make. It's really sucky. Sit about 2 meters off the grate and about 2 meters off the white line. It's a little bit easier rolling. Second half of the session is when the barrels kick in. Rolling's definitely a lot easier. Again, sit wide, it's nice and mellow. Damn, that thing sucks out. Don't stomp on the pad and try and stall it too much. You will get cartwheeled into the floor. Honestly, I don't think I made anything. I took some pretty hard bails. I pretty much hit the ground every time, but it was really fun. I'm looking forward to getting back in there tomorrow morning when I got a bit more energy, a bit more paddle path, tackle again. But yeah, night surfing at URBNSURF, advanced session, done. Good morning, day 2 at URBNSURF in Melbourne. I got up for the 7 AM advanced turn session. It was definitely more enjoyable than last night's barrel session. Just a lot easier and more friendly and playful. The first part of the session was quite fast, but a pretty easy takeoff. I feel like I've got my takeoff dialed now. And then the second half of the session is when that kind of turns section really lights up. Slows down a bit in the end so you can get a few good whacks in. It is pretty chilly here this morning. I think you can see my breath. But yeah, warming up with a cup of coffee at Three Blue Ducks, and then back in for another advanced session in about 20 minutes. Wish me luck. Second advanced session done here, and I definitely felt a lot better this morning on it after my advanced turn session. Gave me a little bit more confidence on that takeoff, figure the wave out. Last night I went a bit too deep, got absolutely flogged and felt the consequences. Today almost sucked myself out, definitely some entries for Barrel Dodger Anonymous in there. Didn't quite get the cover, a bit disappointed with that, but you know, good excuse to come back and make sure I get the shot next time. I've just bumped into former world champ JOEL PARKO. Joel, what would your top tips be for anyone thinking about heading to Urban Surf?
Enjoy it. It is a really enjoyable spot. It's amazing little wave, great little whole setup. It's awesome. Great vibe here, so I enjoy coming. I actually enjoy the vibe around the pool just as much as the wave.
It's a good day out for everyone.
It is, especially when you get a day like this. Like it's almost winter and it's.
Who would have thought we're in Melbourne?
I know. Melbourne can be a shithole for weather, so it's nice to have a day like this. It can be amazing.
Yeah, we've come down from Byron, so I think we can put the weather with us.
Yes,
so it's all good.
Perfect.
Sick. Well, have a great day and enjoy your next session.
Thank you.
So you can also get video and photo packages with your sessions here at URBNSURF. You can see behind me Tom, he's in surf chimp, he's just in the water doing his best, capturing all the chaos and the glory. But yeah, they've got some awesome surf photography packages, so make sure you check them out after your session. After 3 days of pumping perfect waves here at URBNSURF Wave Pool in Melbourne, it's time to head off. A big shout out and thanks to the crew of URBNSURF for hosting me, and the crew of Three Blue Ducks for all the awesome food we've had while we've been here. If you're looking for more information on URBNSURF and all my top tips for what to do before you come here, check out the links in the description below. That's it for this week, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. You.